Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about the current affairs of November month 2021 with all important facts, which is very helpful for all competitive exams. Be with this video till the end. If you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon so that you can get the notification of my new videos. Let us start the current affair questions from award topic. Award is one of the most important topics for current affairs. In 2021, the first time climate scientists have been awarded the physics Nobel. Who is are they? Options are Manabe, Benjamin List, Hazelman, and A and C. The correct option is option D, A and C. Let us know some important facts about this question. Nobel Prize for Physics 2021 is jointly awarded to scientists Shuichiro Manabe, Klaus Hazelman, and Giorgio Parisi. Then their achievement is also very important for groundbreaking contributions to our understanding of complex physical systems. The 2021 Nobel Prize in Physics is awarded with one half jointly to Shuichiro Manabe, Klaus Hazelman, and the other half to Giorgio Parisi. The Physics Nobel Award first time goes to the climate scientists Manabe and Hazelman. That's why the Physics Nobel 2021 is very important. Now the question from the science topic. The Leonid Mentor Shower 2021 was observed during which dates? The answer is option B, during November 6 and 30. Let us know some important facts about Leonid Mentor Showers for attempting many questions related to this topic. It was originally discovered in 1833. Annually observation time is November. Observation time in 2021. It is also important. Began on November 6 this year and continued until November 30 and can be witnessed through the naked eye. What is Leonid Mentor Shower? This is also very important. Every year, debris from a comet called 55P Tempel-Tuttle found in the constellation Leo passes through Earth's atmosphere in November, causing a Leonid Mentor shower. The peak time of the Leonid Mentor shower on November 17, 2021, when viewers from Earth was able to witness cosmic debris like fireworks in the sky. Leonid Mentor storms. This is also very important term. It turns into a mentor storms every 33 years or so. What is Leonid Mentor storms? When hundreds or thousands of Leonid Mentors per hour travel through Earth's atmosphere at a speed up to 44 miles per second. The Leonid Mentor storm is defined as comprising at least 1,000 meters per hour. Leonid storms have been witnessed in 1833, 1966 and 2002. Who became the first Chinese woman travel twice to space? The correct answer is Wang Yaping. Let us know some important facts about women in space. Valentina Tereshkova, she belongs to Russia, is the first and youngest. She went to space at the age of 26 only. Woman to have flown in with a solo mission on the Vostok 6 mission on 16th June 1963 and the only woman to make a solo space flight. Sally Ride is the first American woman in space. In 2012, China became the third nation to send women into space with its own space program after the Soviet Union, Russia, and the United States. Liu Yang is the first Chinese woman in space. Wang Yaping is the second Chinese woman in space and the first Chinese woman to travel twice to space. First time she went to space in 2013 and second time she went to space in 2021. Lunar Polar Exploration Mission is a joint mission to the moon. Which two countries are involved in this mission? Answer is India and Japan. The Indian and Japanese space agencies are planning to launch a joint mission to the moon, aiming to explore the polar region. Indian Space Research Organization and Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency that would send a lunar rover and lander to explore the South Pole region of the moon in 2024. The mission will be known as Lunar Polar Exploration Mission and will comprise of an Indian lunar lander and a Japanese rover. Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency revealed this mission at the Sydney Dialogue. Now the question from Polity. The extensive amendments have been made in the Mines and Minerals Development and Amendment Act 1957 (MMDR) Act by the MMDR Amendment Act 2021. According to the new rule, what percent of mineral produced from captive mines can be sold? Answer is 50%. Recently, the Lok Sabha has passed the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation (MMDR) Amendment Bill 2021. The bill amends the Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation (MMDR) Act 1957. The bill regulates the mining sector in India. What is MMDR Amendment Bill 2021? The main objectives of this bill are: it will bring the transparency in the auction process, an increment of about 55 lakh direct and indirect employment to be generated due to the reforms, the Ministry of Mines has claimed, attract the domestic as well as foreign investment. Also, the government has permitted 100% FDI under automatic route for sale of coal for coal mining activities, including associated processing infrastructure. The objective is to enhance the contribution of the mining sector in the GDP, achieve the contribution of the mining sector in the GDP to up to at least 2.75%, which at present is around 1.75%. Which state has passed Motor Vehicles Taxation Amendment Bill 2021 to levy a green tax on vehicles? Answer is Andhra Pradesh. Ranking type of questions are also very important for exam perspective. Questions are repeatedly asked from this topic. Which country secured first rank in inaugural Global Drug Policy Index 2021, which was released in November month? The correct option is option A, Norway. It was released by the Harm Reduction Consortium. Top 5 countries: Norway, New Zealand, Portugal, the United Kingdom, and Australia are ranked as the top 5 countries on human and health-driven drug policies. The 5 lowest ranking countries are also very important: Brazil, Uganda, Indonesia, Kenya, and Mexico. Indicators. The index comprises of 75 indicators of drug policy. India's rank is 18 out of 30 countries with a score of 74 out of 100. As per the Global State of Democracy 2021 report, which country is added to list of backsliding democracy for first time? The answer is USA. Democratic backsliding, also known as autocratization, democratic decay, and de-democratization. It is a gradual decline in the quality of democracy and the opposite of democratization. India is described as the backsliding democracy with the most democratic violation during the pandemic. Which Indian state secured first rank in the Indian Police Foundation's Smart Policing Index? The option is Andhra Pradesh. Let us know some important facts. The Police Foundation and Institute is a multidisciplinary think tank dedicated to work for police reform and the improvement of policing through research, capacity building, and policy advocacy. It was inaugurated by Sri Rajnath Singh, Union Home Minister, on October 21, 2015 at New Delhi. It conducted the IPF Smart Policing Survey 2021 in 29 states and union territories of the country and published its report. Top cities: Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Assam. They are followed by Kerala, Sikkim, and Mizoram. As per the National Family and Health Survey, there are how many women for 1,000 men in the country in 2019-2021? The correct option is option C, 1020. The Government of India's Union Health Ministry has recently released the results of the 5th round of the National Family and Health Survey. It was conducted in 2 phases between 2019 and 2021. This is also very important. As per the survey in 2019-2021, there are 1020 women for 1,000 men in the country. Also, the total fertility rate has come down to 2. Now some questions from appointment. Who has been appointed as the new chairperson of the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal? The correct option is option A, Ashok Bhushan. Who is Ashok Bhushan? He is former judge of Supreme Court of India and 31st Chief Justice of Kerala High Court. Now it is also very important to know about the National Company Law Appellate Tribunal. It is a tribunal which was formed by the Central Government of India under Section 410 of the Companies Act 2013. Then composition of this tribunal is also very important. The NCLAT includes a chairperson, a judicial member, and a technical member. It consists of a total of not more than 11 members. Then functions. The tribunal is responsible for hearing appeals from the orders of National Company Law Tribunals starting on 1st June 2016. The tribunal also hears appeals from orders issued by the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India under Section 202 and Section 211 of IBC. It also hears appeals from any direction issued, decision made, or order passed by the Competition Commission of India and the National Financial Reporting Authority. Which country's army chief is conferred the honorary rank of General of the Indian Army? The answer is Nepal. The President Ramnath Kovind conferred the honorary rank of General of the Indian Army to Nepal Army Chief General Prabhu Ram Sarma. It is a customary practice by the two countries to confer the honorary rank of general on each other's army chiefs. Then celebration. Which state celebrated its foundation day on November 9? Answer is Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand was formed as a 27th state of India on November 9th in the year 2000 after joining several districts from the northwestern part of Uttar Pradesh and a portion of the Himalayan mountain range. It was earlier known as Uttaranchal and was renamed Uttarakhand in the year 2007. It is also very important. Under which scheme Clean Green Village Week has been observed? Answer is the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act 2005. Let us know some important facts. It is a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. States, union territories have conducted week-long Clean Green Village activity under Manrega scheme from 29th October to 4th November 2021. During the Clean Green Village Week, the focus was on the identification and construction of soak pits, vermicompost, NADEP pit, and initiatives such as verming, composting, reuse of waste materials, recycling of non-biodegradable waste. Now the question from inauguration. In which Indian state Bhagwan Birsa Munda Smriti Udyan cum Freedom Fighters Museum has been recently inaugurated? The correct option is Jharkhand. Birsa Munda belonged to Jharkhand state. Now the question from the campaigns topic. Two cyber safety campaigns named Safe History and My Kanun has launched by which social media platform? The answer is Instagram. Instagram has launched two campaigns to provide greater online safety to young users. Safe History. It aims to spread awareness about the safety features available on the platform. My Kanun. It will inform users about the legal rights and protection available to them. Now some questions from achievement topic. Which is the only state, union territory in the country to have metro facilities in 5 districts? The correct option is option C, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is currently having operational metro railway service in Ghaziabad, Noida, Greater Noida and Lucknow. After the Kanpur metro is flagged off, Uttar Pradesh would be the only state in the country to have metro facilities in 5 districts. Which organization has launched a smart anti-airfield weapon along with Indian Air Force? The correct option is DR. Which state has approved Kesar-e-Hind as the state butterfly? The correct option is option C, Arunachal Pradesh. Which union ministry has launched a unified mobile app for the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav events? The answer is Ministry of Culture. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is the 75th anniversary of India's independence. The app includes links to sections such as Digital District Repository and Unsung Heroes under History Corner. Now the questions from sports. Which country won the T20 World Cup trophy in 2021? Answer is Australia. Australia has won its maiden T20 World Cup trophy after 14-year-long wait. Australia chased the 173-run target set by New Zealand due to Ken Williamson's 85 runs. Which racing driver won the Sao Paulo Grand Prix tournament? The answer is Lewis Hamilton. Now some questions from international topic. The Regional Plan of Action for Adaptation to Drought is associated with which institution? The answer is ASEAN. United Nations Economic and Social Commission for Asia and the Pacific launched the ASEAN Regional Plan of Action for Adaptation to Drought. The actions are divided into 26 sub-actions and an implementation plan covering 2021 to 2025. The plan consists of 9 groups of action covering a drought management cycle and coordination on the regional and national levels. International Institute for Strategic Studies holds an international dialogue in which country annually? Answer is Bahrain. The International Institute for Strategic Studies holds the Manama Dialogue at Manama, Bahrain. The 2021 summit took place between 19th to 21st November. As per Brazil's annual report, deforestation in Amazon rainforest has increased by what percent in a year? Answer is 22. Which country's national system of youth and children's orchestras set a Guinness record for the world's largest orchestra? Answer is Venezuela. Venezuela's national system of youth and children's orchestras, called as El Sistema, has set a new Guinness record for the world's largest orchestra. Now the current affair questions from important days. When is World Diabetes Day celebrated every year? Answer is on November 14. World Diabetes Day is celebrated every year on November 14 to mark the birthday of Sir Frederick Banting, who discovered the insulin hormone in 1922 along with Charles Herbert Best. The theme for World Diabetes Day 2021-23 is access to diabetes care. If not now, when? When is the World Television Day celebrated? Answer is November 21. Let us discuss some important current affair questions from defense topic. Which country conducted a successful test launch Sarin-1A ballistic missile? Answer is Pakistan. Let us know some important facts about this missile. Sarin-1A is a short to medium range surface-to-surface ballistic missile indigenously developed by Pakistan. It is dedicated and named after a species of falcon. It is the bird species found in the mountains of Pakistan. The Sarin-1A is an extended range variant of the Saharin-1. It is also known as HALP-4 missile. The Saharin-1 is also designated HALP-4 official code name. As per the country, the test was aimed at revalidating certain design and technical parameters of the weapon system, which is the fourth stealth Scorpion class submarine that was commissioned to the Indian Navy recently under Project 75. The answer is INS Vela. Project 75 is a program by the Indian Navy that envisaged building 6 Scorpion-class attack submarines. The Mazagon Dock Limited is manufacturing 6 Scorpion submarines with technical assistance from the Naval Group of France. INS Calvary, Kandari, Karans are the other 3 Scorpion-class submarines built and inducted into the Navy. The 6th edition of the Indo-France Joint Military Exercise Ex-Shakti 2021 commenced at which place? Answer is Military School of Draguignan, France. Let us discuss some important current affair questions from Discovery topic. Carrie Reavis matter, whose fossil has been discovered recently, belong to which species? Answer is bird. Paleontologists uncovered the fossil of an ornithoromorph bird that lived during the early Cretaceous epoch. Carrie Reavis matter lived in the present-day Brazil some 115 million years ago. It was living during the Cretaceous period when the supercontinent Gondwana, which included the South America, Africa, Australia, Antarctica, and India, was splitting. The fossilized remains of Carrie Reavis matter, an isolated right foot with some feathers, were recovered from the Crato Formation at Pedra Branca mine in Brazil's Sierra. Matalafi, a traditional plant which is found to rival ibuprofen, is seen in which country? Answer is Samoa. The Samoan plant was traditionally used to treat fevers, body aches, and ghost sickness. As per the study, it could rival ibuprofen for its anti-inflammatory properties. Matalafi is a small tree with red berries, also known as Psychotria insularum. It grows along the coast and in the forests of Samoa. Inti tanagar, a recently discovered colorful new species of bird, belongs to which continent? Answer is South America. Ornithologists have discovered a new genus and a species of tanagar on the lower slopes of Andes in southeastern Peru and western Bolivia. The Inti tanagar belong to the large family of Sauropodae, which includes more than 370 songbird species. It is the second largest family of birds and represents about 4% of all avian species and 12% of the neotropical birds. Now some important current affair questions from plans and schemes. The Future Soldier Modernization Plan was launched by which country? Answer is UK. Future Soldier Modernization Plan was unveiled by the United Kingdom. Objectives of this plan are also very important. The objectives of this plan are to increase its military presence in the world, improve manpower serving the military, and future investment in weapons. Under this plan, the total investment in the military equipment is to be raised to 41.3 billion pounds during the next decade. Delhi government announced a 6-point action plan to completely clean the Yamuna by which year? Answer is 2025. The action plan includes building new sewage treatment plants, increasing capacity of existing STPs, and introducing new technology to ensure that pollutants do not flow into the Yamuna. Frog ID is the National Citizen Science Frog Identification Initiative of which country? Answer is Australia. Frog ID is Australia's first national citizen science frog identification initiative. It is a project led by the Australian Museum in partnership with Australia's top natural history museum and IBM. What is the name of the scheme which provides 5 kg grain per person per month free of cost to all NFSA beneficiaries? Answer is PMGKAY. The Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Ann Yojana was launched by the Government of India in wake of COVID-19 related disruptions and lockdown. The scheme envisages to provide 5 kg grain per person per month free of cost to all National Food Security Act beneficiaries. Recently, the Government of India has announced to extend the scheme from December 2021 till March 2022. Now some miscellaneous questions. Which country has launched a ship named after a gay rights activist, Harvey Milk? The correct option is option B, USA. Which country's first female prime minister resigned in less than 12 hours of office? The correct option is Sweden. Sweden's first female prime minister, Magdalena Andersson, resigned from the top post in less than 12 hours. She was forced to resign as the PM because of the collapse of the coalition when the Green Party, a minority in the coalition, had quit. What is the word of the year 2021 as per Collins Dictionary? The correct option is option C, NFT. Please like, share and subscribe.